everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to be visible on Google Maps. If you own a business, restaurant, store or service, being visible on Google Maps is essential for attracting customers. Google Maps is one of the most powerful tools for local SEO, navigation and business growth. Here's how to make sure your location appears on Google Maps, ranks higher. In this video tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step. So let's start by following the first step. The first step is to create a Google Business profile. And to do that, just go to Google My Business. See here, Google My Business. And search for it. Now once you search for it, go to this website and click on it. Now after that, click on Get Started and make sure you sign in by entering details about your business, for example the business name, etc. Continue and complete the details, like choose the correct business categories, for example coffee shop, auto repair, etc. The second step is to verify your business. Google will send a verification code via email or phone, so enter the code in the Google Business profile to confirm. And for the third step is to optimize your profile. And to do that, just add business hours, website link, phone number and images. And enable customer reviews to boost its credibility. And also regularly update posts and promotions and events. As for the fourth and final step, improve your Google Maps ranking. And you can do that by encouraging customers to leave positive reviews and use relevant keywords, for example best pizza in New York, in your profile, and ensure your business location matches all online listings for consistency. You can also use high quality photos because business with images gets 42% more requests for directions, and respond to reviews by engaging with customers to boost visibility, and share updates and promotion by using Google Posts to attract more visitors. And that's it for today's tutorial. Being visible on Google Maps is crucial for local businesses. By creating, optimizing and updating your Google Business profile, you can attract more customers, rank higher and improve engagement. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.